Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got some goodies to share with you today from FGNormal. So I do want to say thank you to them for sending me these items, but I'm going to start with the one we can see first, which is sort of my normal little habit. This is something that's sort of I've seen that's been a bit new, so I have seen some sort of newer off the canvas items appearing, and this is one of them. This is classed as a face mask holder, so it's basically a little box. It does seem to have a little bit of dye that's ran over, but it does seem as though it will come off. Seems to have run over on both sides, but it is scraping off, so I hope that's not the same with on the top. No, on the top it looks like it could scratch, but it does seem to pretty much stay there. And it's just a little clip open box, and the idea is you can put a face mask in there. Now, whether it does get used for face masks, maybe a few disposable ones in the car could potentially be handy, or not. If not, it's a nice little storage box, which is kind of what I thought. It's quite small, but sometimes that can work, especially if you have kids, you know, maybe a newborn nappy or two. When they get a bit older, might not fit in there quite as well, but could maybe be used for a few wet wipes or a few tissues, something like that. You know, especially with kids, it's always handy to have something. And it does have a cute little stitch design, which is why I thought my youngest may quite enjoy doing this one. She does like doing some of the little projects. It does come with a toolkit, which has both wax and pen, and then these are the diamonds. So as you can imagine, there is going to be quite a bit of blue. There is sort of what I call a pearlized blue. So it does have like an AB coating, but it doesn't have the facets the same as a normal small diamond does. It's smooth over the top, so it's more like a pearl type diamond. Then we do have the rhinestones in blue, both light, dark, turquoise, light, dark and light. We then have some in purple. We have some black that are pretty much, they're cut like a rhinestone, but they are like an AB because they don't have the silver coating on the back. And then we do have some little red teardrops. Now, I can imagine there's going to be a lot of extra diamonds from this, because we only need 3 of those for this mask box. It takes 3 there, and we have quite a few. So I have visions of there being diamonds left over from this one, but that's fine. I'm sure there will be a place for them. But a nice fun little project, and a nice little storage box at the end of it, which is quite cute. Then let's move on to the diamond paintings, of which I have 3 to unbox today. A bit more than normal, but that's fine. I can do that, especially when it involves diamond paintings. So, this one just thought was really quite pretty. A little bit of a different image. For me, this one is actually rhinestones. It is. So this is a rhinestone picture. Now that makes me think now, I'm not sure if I picked this or if the company picked to send me this. I can't remember, but I like it anyway. So that's the image. So we've got butterflies and flowers and stuff in the grass. It is a 30 by 40. It has 22 colours. There's no DMC numbers, but as I say, it is rhinestones. So if you like your sparkle, the actual image size is 24 by 34. So it does have a deeper border round the side, but this is a full-on rhinestone. This is a bit different. Likes. Okay, so we have some purple and some sort of aqua blue. They're pretty. Then we have a few different shades of green, if you can sort of see them. Turquoisey colours, that's pretty full. Silver, pink, more pink. So we do get some very close variations of pink here. Red, looks like a browny green. It's a more of a muddy green. A viviger green. That one is a very, very dark red. It's borderline black, but it's actually a burgundy. Then we've got a dark green. We've got another brown colour. That's a darker brown. Yellow, pink. More of a greeny yellow. That's even such a colour. Red. Champagne type colour, and then some black rhinestones as well. So 22 different colours of rhinestones. That's going to be a very interesting full rhinestone picture, that one. I like the fact they're bringing in things like that. A little bit different. And especially for those that do like working with special diamonds. They're not AB coated, they are rhinestones. But can you imagine that? Just full of sparkle. That's going to be gorgeous. Okay, so that's number one. Try and move my rubbish somewhere else. Make it a little bit easier for me to move other stuff over. Diamond painting number two. Got a bigger bag this one. Oh. So this one again is a special. This one I did pick, well, it's a partial. It's a mixture of special, but I just thought it was funky and would be fun to do. It is regular diamonds. They do have DMC numbers where possible, but then there are rhinestones mixed in that don't. Now, I'm pretty sure this is also glow in the dark. So we'll have a look at these colours here, at the other diamonds, and then we'll check if they glow in the dark when I turn off my lights. So we have some silver stars, then we have some bigger silver dots in a rhinestone, then we have some green and some red, and then we go into regular DMC. And regular diamonds, and these do come with DMC numbers. Quite a lot of green. I don't quite see that much green in the background, but there's a lot of green. Blue, yellow, red, and then I'm pretty sure these are glow in the dark. So, you ready? They are. So that was very brief because it is daytime here as I'm filming, but they are glow in the dark. As soon as I turned off my big lights, you could see the glow a little bit before daytime kicked in. But look at those colours. For doing something that's just, it's a mixture of the two. It's a mixture of specials. It's mixed in with non-specials. It's mixed in with glow in the dark. It just has the whole package. And it's a fun image to do. So it's got, you know, a little bit of pattern to it. And yeah, I just liked it. I liked it. And then, and we did get a toolkit with this one with baggies as well, by the way. And then last, but by no means least, we have, the cute one. The cute one. I already know this is the cute one. I did actually get this with somebody in mind to pass this on to. But look. Okay, so we do get a toolkit, basic toolkit. But it's a little Labrador puppy in a box with a blanket. I thought that was so sweet. It's a 30 by 30, but the true size is 25 by 25, so it is a true square, but look, doesn't he look sweet? It's got 20 colours, and they do have DMC numbers on the canvas, not on the packet, but they do on the canvas. It's a little bit more muted, this one, sort of natural colourings, and it is in round, but these are the colours we have. So a lot more muted, not so much of a vivid, but the picture is just cuteness overload. Do we have 310? No 310, but we do have some 939. Yes, we do have 939 in there. We do have 3799 as well, which is dark grey, but there's no black in this one. And there's actually no 3865, so there's no white either. Even though it may look like it, these are made up of more creamy colours. Ah, oh, he's sweet. So yeah, from FGNormal, this time we have a mixture of drills, specials and luminous. We have a full rhinestone full drill kit, which is a bit different. We have a nice round cute dog. And then we have what could be classed, well, what they class as a mask storage box, but I'm sure could be used for many, many things. So I hope you've enjoyed these items. I will pop links, of course, in the description below for each of these. Thank you so much to FGNormal for sending these over. I do like the variety that we've got in this unboxing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.